Hello everyone, so in today's tutorial I'll be sharing with you how to make rainbow text effect in Canva. So let's start with it. So I am choosing YouTube thumbnail as my canvas. Let's change the color of the background to be black. Okay, so this one is done. Now we'll go to apps and here I will type typecraft. So I will open the app and in the font section I will choose here rainfall slanted. So you can choose any of them, but for this rainbow effect the rainfall slanted font looks the best. So the font is done. Now I will write the text as one by one. So first I will write as R. Okay, and I will just make it according to our requirement. So resize it according to our requirement. Make it similar size so that when you make the final design it looks the best. So the main thing is here to make the first one perfect, because after that we can easily work on the next effects. So this one is done. Let's choose the color as white for the first time. Okay, and add element to design. Okay, so this one is done. Now let's duplicate it more 6 times, because the rainbow is RAINBOW, so more 6 times. So first 5 I will do, then I will do the next 2, because the canvas is not supporting so long for letters. So I will change it to A, I, so for I will just need to resize it, but let's do for the other ones. Make it smaller. Now let's duplicate. So the final letters will be O and W. So the letters are done here. Select all and just make it as per the canvas. Now we will change the color to the frame as our vector format. So first one will be violet. A bit lighter format will be better. Then we have the indigo, which is this one. Then we have blue. Then green. Yellow. Orange. And red. So this is how you get the rainbow text effect, and it is ready here. And if you want, you can just work on the text, the fonts, and the main thing, as I said, you just need to work on the first one. If the first one looks great, then you can easily work on the next ones and get a beautiful text effect. Hope you like this tutorial, and make sure you just follow our channel for more tutorials like this for absolutely free. Thank you.